Record. Okay. That is choosing a reliable broker, creating your own derivative account. That is the next thing we're gonna do. The best time to plant a tree, we will start with a quote. Ne? It's a Chinese proverb. That is the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time, it's now. Meaning, in our concept of Forex trading, the best time that you could have started trading Forex, maybe it was 5 years ago, but it's not too late. The next best time is now. You have to start now. In 5, 10 years later, your future self will thank you for it. Okay. We proceed. That is choosing a reliable broker. Choosing a reliable broker, try to. That is, choosing a reliable broker is crucial for your trading success. Here are some key factors to consider when you are choosing a broker. Number one, you should consider regulations and licensing. A broker is a financial institution. Let's say, for example, if you are in Namibia, for you to operate as a financial institution, you should be licensed by a regulatory body. And in Namibia, it's NAMFISA that licenses financial institution or anything related to finance. Okay. Number one, brokers, they are owners or where they operate from. They are operating or they have branches in different countries. You have to make sure that that broker is registered and licensed by the standard Forex regulatory bodies, okay? Or by the bodies where they are operating from. Ensure the broker is regulated by a recognized authority. Most of them, they are regulated by SEC, it's a regulator, FCA, and then ASIC. These are abbreviations for the bodies that regulates brokers. This adds a level of security and oversight because their books are being audited. They don't want to lose their license and all that. You want to see to it that your broker is regulated by a regulatory authority, okay? And then reputation and review. Reputation. For example, we had a very nice broker that was processing quick withdrawals. JP Market. For those that have been in the industry, you will testify. JP Market back in 2019, 2020, somewhere there, you will trade. When you place your withdrawal, within 5 minutes, the money is in your bank account. But then they had issues with the regulatory authority in South Africa. It's a broker from South Africa. And now they won their case, but now they are back. But people are having trust issues to trade with them because of the scandal that happened a few years ago. Those are the things you look at when you are trading. You look at the broker and their history, okay? Then you have to look at the reputation and the review. Research the broker's reputation. How long have they been operating? You read reviews, compare to other brokers as well, and then consider the broker's regulatory history. Ask for recommendations. So it's good to ask for a recommendation when you are new. Excuse me. When you are new, you can ask your friends which broker is good and so on, okay? And then in our case, we are recommending you, our recommendation is Deriv, okay? That is a reliable broker we are recommending you, okay? Then number 2, you look at how they charge. Brokers make money from different small charges that they do. Number 1, if they do charge commissions, you want to understand what commissions and how do they differ. Number 2, you look at their spread. We didn't cover spread. I think we'll cover it day 5. Day 5 is where we cover spread, okay? Spread is the fee that the broker charge for using their platform, or it's the difference between the buying and selling price. So some brokers, they charge a high spread, and some brokers, they charge a low spread. How do brokers make money? Just before we proceed. Brokers make money, most of them, is by charging spread. What is spread? If I am a buyer and you are a seller, what they do, if the exchange rate is at 17.5, they can quickly come, they can come to you. Since you are selling, they buy for you, they buy from you at a cheaper price, okay? Maybe if you are selling at 17.5, they can buy it, let's say, cheaper, 17.4, for example. You are a seller, they become the buyer. So they immediately buy from you. I am a buyer. Then in the middle, they are standing in the middle, they quickly come sell to me at a higher price. If they bought from you at 17.4 and they come resell to me, let's say at 17.7 or 17.6, just as an example, they're gonna make a profit maybe of a 3 cent. So by connecting you as a buyer and me, you as a seller and me as a buyer, by doing that repetitively, they make money through pocketing the difference that they are buying from you and selling to me, for example. And that small difference is called spread. What happens is some broker, they charge a high spread, meaning the price that they buy from you and sell to me, it can be a 5 cent difference. And then some broker, it can be a 2 cent difference. Some broker, it can be an 80 cent difference. So you want to understand, what is this spread? How much are they charging by connecting me and you? You want to trade with a broker that is charging a cheaper or a small amount. That is low spread, okay? Because every time you enter a trade, your trade goes in a small loss, always. And that loss is called spread. We'll learn more in detail on day 5, I think. And then the swap rate. Swap is the fee charged by a broker by holding a position overnight. It's calculated. There's a formula that they use to calculate it by applying leverage, what leverage you have used, and the interest rates on those currencies that you are trading. That is how you apply spread. In other words, you should consider the fees that the broker charges. Let me not confuse you. We're going to dive in details on day 5. We'll look at word by word. And then overnight financing charges, inactivity fees. So there are some brokers that charge you because you have deposited, but you are not trading, and so on. Trading fees and commissions. Understand the cost structure, including spreads, commissions, and hidden fees. There are some brokers that have hidden fees. What they have wrote, or what they wrote on their website, for example, is not what they charge. Maybe on the website, they have written that they charge a $2 spread, but in reality, they are charging a $5, and so hidden fees. Compare these costs with other brokers to access competitiveness, okay? And then you choose a reliable broker. You have to consider the leverage. Leverage is determined by what you are trying to achieve. Leverage will also be discussed in detail on day 5. Leverage is borrowed money. You borrow money from the broker. It's like a loan that you get from a broker to control a bigger amount with a small deposit. You want to consider what is the leverage. If you are a new trader, for example, you want to consider a broker with high leverage, maybe 1 to 1,000 and above, because you want to go in full margin and then you make a lot out of that. And then if the broker is reducing the leverage, you're not going to like that, okay? Margin leverage, it will give you the trading account on how much money you can control. You want to consider that as well. Leverage, look at leverage options available and understand the risk associated with high leverage and so on. And then you want to look at the available instrument. I discussed that we have a lot of instruments that you can trade. You can trade Forex, Euro USD, GBP, USD. These are currencies. You can as well trade stock, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. You can as well trade a crypto. You can choose to trade crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. Or you can trade indices. These are US 30, German 40, NASDAQ, for example. And then for derivative, they also offer derived instruments, volatility, boom and crash, and so on. And you want a broker that have a lot of instruments so that you can have a lot of options. If not a lot, you want a broker that offers what you are interested in. Okay? That is the available instruments. And then you look at the mobile trading capability. And then the reliability and speed. How are you able to trade with this broker? Are you able to trade on your phone, on your computer? Are you able to move and trade wherever you are? And when you are executing your trade, that is when you press a buy, how fast do they do the execution of your trade? Especially during news, it's very important because what is called slippage. Maybe you want to buy at this price, but if they are slow, since the price is moving very fast, you might end up buying at a higher price instead of at the price that you wanted. This is the execution speed. You want to consider that as well. Availability of research tools. On the website, there are a lot of tools that you can use to help you learn or understand, or to help you as a trader just to trade effectively. User-friendly interface. How is their website? Is it user-friendly? Can you find what you are looking for easily? All those things. And then cost and fees, customer support. When you need help, are they there to help? To be honest, I have traded with a lot of brokers. The best broker with customer support, it's not derivative. If I was to give an award, the best broker with customer support, when it comes to customer support only, it's XM Global, XM. They are very fast. It's like, even when you're chatting to them, it's like you're chatting with robots. They've invested a lot in technology and so on. Those are the things you want to look at. Most of the brokers, yes, they are fine, but XM gets the award when it comes to customer support, in my view, very fast. Security and regulation. You want your money to be safe. Okay, you want your money to be safe. In that way, you want to have brokers that offers proper security with your money. You do not want your account to be hacked. All those things. Their system should not be easily penetratable. You want brokers that offers, for example, two-factor authentication. In that case, derivative also have the two-factor authentication. You want to be safe. Two-factor authentication it's an app that you install on your phone that changes number every few seconds, maybe after 20 seconds and so on. If someone have it's like OTP security. After someone enters your password and so on, he needs to enter the OTP seconds. It's a second layer of security before accessing your money, or they have to enter a PIN that is on your phone before accessing your money. You want to trade with these brokers that can give you this kind of protection. Platforms and tools. Evaluate the trading platforms, usability, speed, available tools, chart indicators, research that supports your trading strategy, okay? Then choosing a reliable broker, most important attributes of a customer experience. Most of the time, what matters, fast response time, execution, very, very important. The speed, especially news trading. Those that, the August intake, we were having a lesson, an hour, like not an hour. We had a lesson from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock before you guys came in. I was telling them how to trade news, and news moves very fast. You don't want to compromise on that, trust me. And then consistency across channel. How are they consistent? Can you trust them? Can they keep up with their work? Like I told you, Derek, they are celebrating a 25 years now. That is a consistent broker. They've been there for quite some time. And other brokers like Tickmill, they are also fine. They have been there for quite some time. Hot Forex, they've been there for quite some time. XM Global, they've been there for quite some time. You want to trade with these brokers, okay? And then knowledgeable staffs, clear, consistent messaging, a person to speak with. You want to have someone to speak to. You have to build a relationship with this broker. In this case, in my case, if I want something, for example, from Derry, it's just a call away. I have few people from their team that I have their contact numbers and so on. If I want something, I can simply call them, no, I have a problem here. Or if you are struggling, you can easily call me and then I can call them like there's a problem here. They can solve it. If they can't solve it, they can advise and they can speak to their team members directly. They know who to speak to solve the problem and so on. That is what you want, a person to speak to. You don't want to just be like chatting to a robot. You want those kind of relationship, multiple contact points, and easy to use tool for service. And then account types and minimum deposit. You want to know what accounts do they offer, and then you want to look at the minimum deposit. Most brokers, they offer a minimum deposit of a 10 USD or a 5 USD for everyone to afford, though I don't recommend you depositing a 10 or a 5. Most of the time it's a donation. It doesn't really go anywhere, okay? And their minimum deposit requirement, choose a broker that aligns with your investment budget and goals. How much are you willing to start with? How much are you planning to invest to start trading? You want a broker that can give you a room to start with the amount that you want that can fit your budget. If you only have $100, you want to choose a broker that you can deposit even $100 and so on. The type of accounts, we have mini accounts, mini and micro accounts. These are small accounts whereby if you deposit a $10 or if you deposit a $1, you don't want to see it as a $1. They can magnify it for you. After you deposit a $1, it can show on the account as $100. These are mini and micro accounts. But then when you be trading, for easy calculation, you can easily handle $100 in numbers, but in reality, you have a $1. When you withdraw, they scale it back to the reality and so on. These are accounts, and most of us, we use standard accounts. Standard accounts, this is a normal account whereby if a standard account is measured by a standard lot size, which is a 1, and so on. But we'll look deeper into this thing when you do lot size and so on. And then you want to have a VIP account. If you are a big client, you want to be treated special and so on. Just like we have with banks, they have private clients and so on, some kind of special treatment. And then Islamic account. An Islamic account is for those that are from the Islamic religion. This, for them, based on the explanation, they don't like to be charged swap, for example, every night. They don't want to be charged every night. In their religion, it's not right for one to be charged interest, for example, every night. It's not right to them. It's a religious thing. And then it's more of culture, not about what it is. What they prefer, they like to trade maybe for a week without being charged at all. And then the broker calculates and they charge administration fee. Instead of charging swaps and whatsoever, they prefer to be charged administration fee maybe once a week or after 5 days of trading, admin fee. Sorry for that. So if you are an Islam, for example, however these people are called, you want to consider if the broker offers your account in line with your culture, in line with your belief. I don't know what is happening. I lost the slide. Let me try to unmute you to check if everything is fine. Is everything okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
My
good.
side is okay.
Okay, good. You can see the slide, ne?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, good. I'll mute you back again. Okay. So what we have is factors to consider. Choosing a withdrawal, when choosing a withdrawal method, very, very important. What now? After you've created your account, you have traded, how do you receive your money? Very serious. It frustrates traders. Traders, they make money after making money. You blow the money because you are unable to withdraw it. The methods that are there, you have never heard of them. You don't know where to start. It's like this broker is a scam. You see, it's you. You have to do research. The broker that you are trading with, if you happen to make money, how are you going to withdraw it? The speed, how fast will you receive your money? If you want your money quick, how fast can you receive it? How fast can you process how fast can they process your withdrawal? That is the recommended. And the best broker that process withdrawals fast, depending on the method that you are using, that I have seen, if you are to use crypto as well, it's XM Global, XM, okay? I'm not sure about the upcoming South African brokers, but for cut withdrawals, I won't say. If you are to deposit, we'll discuss deposited withdrawals on Thursday. But if you are to deposit with a cut, it's very slow, 5 days to 15 days. You have to consider sometime 2 days. You have to consider the method that you are using. But for crypto, XM is number one. In 5 minutes, the money is landing. And then Deriv, they approximately process withdrawals within 1 hour to 6 hours. You will receive your money. And then the other thing is mostly it's only available with Deriv. They have peer-to-peer. It's super fast depending on the person that you are dealing with. Peer-to-peer is when you have, we'll discuss it more on Thursday. After you make your money, you can simply give me your US dollar, I give you e-wallet. How fast it takes, it depends between me and you. It's a system designed to help us withdraw among ourselves for the money to circulate. You give me the US dollar, I give you cash. And when I want to deposit, you give me your US dollar. If you have US dollar, I give you cash. So it can take, let's say, in 5 minutes. If we are all available, me and you, if we are available, we can do the transaction within 5 minutes. You receive your money and everyone gets what he wants. These are the other options that are available with Deriv, and they are not available with other brokers. You want to consider all these things. We'll go in details in withdrawal methods on Thursday. And then accessibility. How fast can you access your money? To my surprise, a colleague of mine, not a colleague, but a friend that trades some time with us, he will come to our office and we'll trade together. He was trading with one broker in South Africa. I think it's Trade 245. And when he wants to withdraw, he was called like, no, you can't withdraw now. It's too small. Why are you withdrawing a 4,000? At least grow it up to a 10,000. Can you imagine what broker does that? And you don't want to trade with you. When you want your money, it's your money. They should give it to you whenever you want. You get it? Customer support. Are they there for you when you want to withdraw? Convenient. How convenient? Are they having a lot of options to allow you to receive your money? That is what you look at. The fee. Do they charge fees? Brokers are supposed not to charge any withdrawal fee. If you make a 10,000, you should receive it as a 10,000. They are not supposed to charge on that, okay? And then we look at education and resources. How are they educating you as a trader to help you grow? Like here, I'm giving you this as a free lesson. Brokers are supposed to give free lessons as well. They are supposed to provide, if you go on their website, on the educational part, they are supposed to provide you with free educational materials, free webinars, free YouTube lessons, all those things. They are supposed to provide these things. And so on. That is trading education provides a solid foundation for traders. Number two, it teaches traders how to manage risks effectively. You don't want to blow your account in a day. You should know how to manage your risk. Trading education can help traders to identify trading opportunities, when to enter, when to exit. And then it helps traders to develop a trading plan. It helps traders to stay up to date with the latest trends and developments in the financial market. You want to know updated things with what is happening in the market. Trading conditions, very important. There are things, you know, those terms and conditions that we just accept. They look simple until when you have made money. That is where the problem comes. If you are losing money, it's not really a problem. But when you are making money, that's where the problem comes in with brokers. You want to know their execution speed, any restrictions on trading such as scalping and hedging. Very, very important. What is scalping? Scalping is the kind of trading when you go in the market in and out fast. You want to make profits from the small price movements. Maybe you want to buy, after 2 minutes, you close. You want to sell, after 2 minutes, you close. You want to take those small profits as the market is moving. That is called scalping. Quick, in and out. Okay? Some brokers, they do not allow scalping, especially during news. News, you can make a lot of money. You can also lose a lot of money. What will happen if you are making a lot of money? Let's say there's news at 2:30, and then you enter. The market moves like sharply. You can deposit $100. In 2 minutes, you will see your profit in $500, $600 if you go full margin, for example. And then you have to know your broker. If they don't allow news trading, if they don't allow scalping during news, they know that the market moves very fast during news, meaning they will not allow you to open a position and close it again within 5 minutes. We have to know those policies. What will happen is if you open your position and then 2 minutes later, news comes, you are in a 1,000 from $100. When you try to close your position 2 minutes after, the broker will not allow you. I have seen a lot of traders complaining about this. That's because they don't know their broker. What will happen is when you try to close, it will not allow you. It will say off courts, market close. Until after 5 minutes, that's when they will let you close your position. You have seen a 1,000. By the time you have closed, maybe there's just a $50 or your account have blown. Why? You have to know your broker's policy. Do they allow scalping? Do they allow trading or scalping during news? For example, and then hedging. Do they allow hedging? What is hedging? Hedging is the kind of trading where you open a buy and a sell position at the same time to reduce risk. For some reason, people hedge. You buy and sell at the same time, depending on what you are trying to achieve. We do hedge in the Forex market as well, okay? There is a hedging approach. We're going to look at hedging in detail later. You want to know, does your broker allow you to hedge in buy and sell at the same time? You want to know those policies. Very important policies we should never ignore, okay? Demo accounts. Is your broker offering you an account to practice with? But most brokers, they do offer a practice account. That is what you want to learn. Then in conclusion, in summary, when you are searching for a good broker, Selecting a reliable broker involves careful consideration of key factors such as regulation, reputation, fees, platforms. Platform is what platforms do they use? There are a lot of platforms nowadays. The famous one is MT5. That is what I'll teach you tomorrow. And then there are web platforms. Brokers, you are able to trade on their websites directly without installing any app on your phone. And then some brokers, they are developing their own homemade, customized platforms. You want to know what platforms do you have? And then do they have seed traders, for example? These are other platforms that we have. There was a case 2 years back, I think, was it 2 years ago, when MetaTrader 5 was banned on the Apple smartphones, on the iPhone. It was banned. We were not able to, if you are using a new phone or a new iCloud account, you can't download iPhone directly on your phone. It was banned by Apple. In that case, can your broker provide you with an alternative platform you can use? That is the use of platform, backup platforms, okay? Because MetaCodes, they also have their, MT5s are developed by MetaCodes. They want to have, they have their policy. iPhone, they also have their policies. You know, Windows, they also have their policies. You want to have backup platforms. Education and resources, available trading products. The reason I'm recommending Deriv is they have all products you will ever think of, and they have extra compared to others. They have products that you can even trade weekends, which no other brokers have, for example. And then educational resources. By thoroughly evaluating these aspects, you can make an informed decision and ensure a secure and efficient trading experience. With that, I will now move to part 2 of our lesson for tonight. This one, I want you to do it. How to create your Deriv account. The steps, they do not differ much from how you create your account with any other broker. For the sake of learning purpose, let's just use the recommended broker. But if you want to change to your own broker, it's okay. What is going to happen is, for me, we have a relationship with Deriv. If you open your account with Deriv, whenever you will need help, I will be there to assist. When you want to deposit, when you want to withdraw, when you want to verify your account, anything you need, chances are high that I'll be able to assist because I understand the system very well. But do not be limited. Feel free to open your account with any broker that you want, but just know that you might be on your own. If you open a broker that I'm not familiar with, when you will be stranded, you will call me like, Silta, I want to withdraw my money. I'll be like, which broker? That is the first question I'll ask. And then if you mention a broker that I'm not familiar with, me and you, there's nothing we can do about it. It's like a blind leading a blind. I won't be able to give you proper leadership in that direction. You should choose a broker of your own, but feel free. Just make sure you understand the broker that you're operating with, and you should be able to help yourself, or whoever is directing you there should be in a position of helping you, okay? Now, let's create our trading account for Deriv. The first thing to do is you have to come to I don't know what's happening, my WhatsApp. I want someone that does not have a Deriv account at all. We are going to do a lot of things tonight. Creating an account and walking you through the platform, the website, where to deposit, and where to find all the other things. That is what you're going to do. I just want you to be familiar with the website. I'm looking for someone that does not have a Deriv account, or you have tried to create, but you got stuck somewhere. You are the one I'm looking for. I want you to share your screen so we can all see it. Then I'll direct you on where to click. I'll tell you, click here, click in the corner, and so on. Let me unmute you all. We need a volunteer to share a screen, preferable someone that does not have a trading account, or you try to create your trading account and got stuck. That's what you're going to do. We are here to help you. Someone to volunteer?
Is it a real account or a demo account? Are you talking about demo or real account?
I think let's just do both. Who is volunteering? You will learn much better when you volunteer, trust me.
Because I just opened a demo account, but not a real account. Is it okay?
Yeah, a demo account is also fine. If you have a demo account, it's fine. You can just share your screen. Then we can also guide you to create your real account. Dolly, using A4. There are some. Johannes, are we there?
Yes, I am here.
Okay, it's fine. Let's just see what you have. You can just share your screen. You should be on Zoom. There's a button that you find share. You click on that button. Click on that button. Before we proceed, I told you. Okay, I'll. Okay. I want you to check on our chat room, ne? Oh, I see you have. For those of you that do not have a derivative account, I'll advise you to open one. You'll be able to follow the rest of the lessons effectively. There's a link that I dropped on the group. You should have seen it. I've always posted. I want you to go on the link and you click on it. Are we following? Are we following? Who doesn't have an account? Before we proceed, let's not. Who doesn't have an account and you want to open one? Just unmute yourself. You come through. Do we all have trading accounts?
Yeah, I think
No.
I have one. No.
Who does not have an account?
I do not have an account.
Is it who's speaking? Is it Anna Vilma?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you able to me try it, but who is this one? Penny Ankama. Me, I tried, but I did not finish. Okay. Hilma.
Yes.
Can you please share a screen so we can help you create your account? We want, if we can start with you from scratch, it will be best for everyone to follow.
It's giving me you cannot start screen share while other participant is sharing.
Okay, try now. Let me, yeah, I stopped his screen sharing. Try to share yours.
Okay, where do I go? It's giving me Microsoft OneDrive, Forex,
Screen.
photos, document.
There should be somewhere written screen.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, select screen.
I selected and then appears on top.
Mostly it will ask you to give it permission or to allow it to draw over other apps. Just give it those permissions.
Yeah.
What is happening now? Okay, yeah,
I
good. Now, this is the style of teaching that we use. When one is struggling, it's best when you share your screen and we are able to see your screen and we can guide you step by step. The first thing to do, let me try to, there's a comment in the group, Beyonce. I have an account with Deriv, but it's not under your link, and I want an account under your link, but there's no who can help me their credentials. Okay, reach out to me, Beyonce. We'll try to assist you on this at the end of the session or tomorrow if you can call me. The first thing to do is to go in the WhatsApp group, on the WhatsApp group, or you can go on our status. There's a link there. You click on that link, okay? Just open the specific group. Open our group. Okay, there's a link that I just dropped. Scroll down.
Okay, I think I got it.
Yeah, on the, okay, before you click on it, no, wait.
Oh, okay.
Let's wait for each other, okay. Before you click on the link, there is where it says start trading with Deriv now. That link will lead you to the broker's website. And then we have tried to create some instructions. And at the bottom, there is a PDF step-by-step guide that we have created, but now it's outdated. We will recently update it. Well, we'll soon update it. This guide helps you with the steps basic steps that can help you, but we notice it's not complete and they've changed their website. I want you to click on the link on top. Everyone, you should do the same. Go on the group and go click on the link on top. We'll wait for you. We have Beyonce and we have me have an account, me tried, but Fanny, you should do the same as well. Okay, you leave it to load. The procedure is more like the same with any other broker. Okay, so now you scroll down a bit. Scroll down a bit. Yeah. There's something missing. Let's go back up. It's supposed to give us an option that says try free demo account. Okay, here.
This one?
That is what, yeah, on the red button. Try free, try free demo. You click there. Hope everyone is following, eh?
Yeah, following.
Okay. You enter your email address. Jerry, please mute your mic.
All right.
You enter your email address. Then you agree to the terms and conditions. This is where we mostly make a mistake. We don't read these things. Okay, click on agree to terms and conditions. You say create demo account. Click on create demo account. First, we'll create a demo account, or it's a practice account. We will then later upgrade to a real account. Okay, You should have received an email for you to verify that that email belongs to you. Go to your email inbox to where you receive your usual emails for verification.
I don't think I'll receive it because my mailbox is full.
You will stop receiving email on 19 August.
Mm.
Can you not clear some stuffs?
Go in manage storage up there.
Manage storage, okay. Do not pay for anything. Let's try to clean up space. No.
Yes. Just wait.
Okay.
Okay, can you go in large files? 12 MBs and then 20 MBs.
What about large photos and video? But we don't
Yeah,
want to see
large
your
photos.
videos. But maybe you
Yeah,
try.
exactly.
Okay, but let's try to see if we can get some stuffs out. Okay, large
Or
photos
maybe,
and videos. If you have sensitive stuffs, you can stop the screen sharing, then you can look for someone else. But if you're able to proceed, it's
Okay.
fine.
I
you
think I
can
should
set,
stop.
Okay,
you can
just
set
stop, then you do the cleaning, ne?
All right.
Okay, who can share a screen? Okay, try to clean up your video, ne? To clean up your storage, ne? We need to have access to the email to proceed.
All right.
Erastus Tadeus, are you there? You have sent something in the chat room.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, can you please share your screen? Let's see if you can rescue us. Pardon? Before we proceed, yesterday I told you I have received some stuff from Derry. These stuffs are yours. They are not mine. These are caps written, the one I'm putting on, 25 years. They are celebrating their 25 years. And some diaries, a lot of them. I have received about 40 of these. I have a box of these diaries here. Boxes of these diaries here. They are quite a lot, né? And then some bags. These are the bags that I have here. These bags, okay? With branded. If you are interested in this, they are for free. You just need to arrange on how we can sort out the courier and so on. But it should be for Deriv clients. You should have an account with Deriv, preferable under our link, and you should have funded it at least with a 10 USD. Then you give me a call. We can arrange for your courier, okay? Let's proceed with Erasmus. Please share your screen. Okay, I see you have shared it. Go to your email where you are trying to verify. Hilma, please continue to delete your stuffs. We need to continue. Okay, you click on login. If you have forgotten, you should. Now you are leaving us behind. You are pressing things that we. Are you resetting your password? Erastus, you have to unmute your mic. We need to communicate. Erastus, are you with us?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go back to the email. You should follow my instructions. Don't be fast, because it's not just about you and me. Others should also follow what you are doing. Now you are gone. You're already in the account. Yo, fast. Okay. But you just have to enter your email. After you enter your email, just enter your email, Erasmus. Let's just do that. Don't do things on your that we know, we can see you know, but for the sake of others, Erasmus, please relax. For the sake of others, wait for my instructions. Okay. Now, when you're at this stage, Rastus, don't press anything. Wait for my instructions. For the sake of others, we can see you know, but just wait. Ne? At this stage, if you have forgotten your password, or this usually comes when you are verifying and it says you already have an account. If you can remember your password, you just click on the login button. Let's have Eric, please mute your mic. Apart from Erastus, the rest of us, let's mute our mics. Unless you have a question. If you can't remember your password, you simply just click to reset your password. In this case, this is a common issue. You now choose where you belong. If you can remember, just click on login. Erastus, if you can't, click on reset password. You click on login. The reset, it will just give you an option to create a new password. Or else we proceed, click on email. Put in the email and password. Forex takes time, and we should have patience, and we're gonna do baby steps. We assume everyone doesn't know, and then we start from scratch. We teach you basic things until you will grow up and graduate as a university student. Approximately our full course takes 2 months. So we meet every night. We do like we are doing until you will really be able to stand on your own, walk on your own, run on your own. Okay, put in your password and you press on login. In most cases, at this step now, Rastus, wait for me. It shows your balance that you have at 10,000. It now depends on what you want to trade. Most of us, we trade using MT5. At this step, you switch to, if you are using a phone, you switch to CFD. Erasmus, click on CFD. The rest of us, what did I say? Where do we switch to?
CFD.
CFD.
Those ones, yes.
Yes, contract for difference.
Yes.
We'll discuss the CFDs and what it means later, but it's short form for contracts for difference. Okay. And then you scroll down. Just scroll down a bit. Just a bit. Okay. These are the type of accounts that I want us to understand. First, what do you want to trade? Who can give us an example? What do you want to be trading? Gold, NASDAQ, volatility, boom and crash. Mention anything. That's the first thing you want. What do you want to be trading?
For me, it's gold.
Gold. Who can give us another example?
NASDAQ.
NASDAQ. Who can give us another example?
Volatility.
Yes, you are 30.
Volatility. Oh my God.
Nasdaq.
Volatility US30. Now, what is happening? First, you need to know what you'll be trading. If you want to trade gold, you should open a financial account, strictly gold. Who is giving us the noise in the background? Please mute your mic. If you know you have a problematic background, please mute your mic. Okay. If you want to be trading gold, hold it. Oh, yeah, hold it. Mute your mic. Okay. If you want to be trading gold, you open or you get the financial account. Ne? If you want to trade Euro USD, hold it, please. I'll remove you from the meeting. Mute your mic. You are delaying us. Okay? If you want to trade Euro USD, for example, you open a financial account. Gold, if you want to trade Bitcoin, or you can also trade cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, you open a financial account. If you want to trade Nasdaq, US30, German 40, you open a financial account. All other things that are available with other brokers, all the things that you can trade with Exness, you will find them, all of them, in the financial account. All the things that you are supposed to be trading with Hot Forex, XM Global, all the brokers, you will find them in the financial account. Okay?
So,
Then the
Mr. Zinda,
stand, yeah.
can you just repeat yourself there, the Bitcoin? I did not get you what you said.
Pardon?
Can you just repeat yourself there, the Bitcoin? Which block,
Oh.
which one? Which one you need to trade with?
Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. We'll have a lesson on cryptocurrency as module 2. The value of cryptocurrency or the value of Bitcoin, it also fluctuates. It goes up and down. And you can also trade it just like you trade currencies. So if you are trading with derivative and you want to trade Bitcoin, you should open a financial account or you should get a financial account. Is it clear there?
Yeah. It's clear now.
Okay, good. Nasdaq, gold, currencies, Euro USD, US30, German 40, they are all available in the financial account. Okay? Now, the standard account. The standard account, it's where you find volatility, 75. These are instruments only available with derivative. You will never find them with any other broker. And these are the ones that you can trade during weekends as well. Boom, boom 1,000, boom 500, crash 500, crash 1,000. You will find them in the standard account. Jump, you will find it in the standard account. Okay? In the standard account, they are also adding some financial products, not all of them. Some of the financial products, you will also find them in the standard, especially the major currency pairs. We discussed about major currency pairs yesterday. You can also find some major currency pairs inside the standard account. It's a mixed account, but mainly it's for the derived instruments, boom, crash, volatility, and so on. Now, a swap-free account. A swap-free account, it's also called the Islamic account. If you are speaking under correction, I don't know what religion do they use, but maybe they are Muslims, for example. If you are maybe a Muslim and you feel you are supposed, based on your culture or your religion, you are not supposed to be charged every night, the broker should charge you once a week admin fee. You as an Islam, how do you call people from Israel? Is it Islamic or whatsoever? You open a swap-free account. What happens is instead of you being charged swap every night, you will be charged admin fee after every 5 days. If you are from that part of the religion, that is the account for you. As well as the zero spread account, I won't really explain it since I haven't used it yet. For me, I use Standard and Financial. The zero spread account, I won't really, it says zero spread CFD on financial and derived instruments, but I don't know, how can the broker have a zero spread? Maybe if you don't want to be charged spread as well, I think this we can relate now. Maybe if you don't want to, speaking under correction, if you don't want to be charged spread, you feel you should be charged admin fees instead of spread, you can maybe opt for the zero spread. Do you understand this type of accounts? And you are allowed to have multiple accounts. You can have standard. When you are done, you can also have financial. You can have even up to 4 or 5 accounts with derivative. You can have 2 accounts for financial. You can have 2 standard accounts. You can even have 6 accounts if you want. Then you can just be switching based on what you trade, based on your mood. You trade what you want. But derivative offers everything that you will ever think of trading. That is the good thing of this broker, including weekends. Do you have questions before we proceed?
I think it's clear for everybody.
Okay. Now, how do we get this account? If you want to trade volatility cash, next
How
to
do I have
start,
two standard accounts?
pardon?
How do I have 2 standard accounts for?
Or you just
like
create
2
one. Now we
Yeah,
only have one.
Yeah.
You only have one option for get. After we are done creating, especially on a real account now, after you are done creating a standard account, there will be another option again for you to get a new one again. It's there. The option it will be there, especially in the real account. For now, let's click on get. We want to get the standard account. You get them one at a time. Click on get. Erastus? Yeah. And then it will ask you to create a password of your choice. Use a password that you can easily remember. For the sake of the lesson, but it's fine. Just do. You can change your password later. Erasmus, just create a password. A password should have a capital letter recommended, a small letter, a character or a symbol, as well as a number. If your name is Martha, you can use capital M, then the word Martha, then a hash or a dollar sign, like he's doing it. A hash or a dollar sign, then you put a number. You try to mix up characters so that it can be strong. Like what you have here is investment, capital I, then there's an @ and their numbers. This is a strong password like this. Then you click on create deriv MT5 password. You click it, you press it at the bottom, and this is the password you will use for all your MT5 accounts. Okay, then you continue, click on continue. I see our time is up. Let's just wrap it up, then we can we'll continue tomorrow, ne? I think let's just push until 10:30, then we'll rest. Click on financial, get the financial one also if you want. Johannes Walaula. Yeah, I wasn't getting your voice. Maybe there's something wrong. Please try, drop a text here. Yeah, Matthews, thanks for the response. Okay, click on continue. This is a demo account. What you have done is you have created a standard and a financial. Let's see if you see on your upper left corner, there is where it's written demo under Traders Hub. Let's switch to a real account. If you want to create a real account, this is how you create a real account. You press on demo, there will be a drop box. No, up. Under Traders Hub, there's demo. Yes, you switch from demo to real. This is how you switch from demo mode to real mode. Click on real. Okay. Don't Rasmus wait for us. Here, it will ask you for your account currency. What is an account currency? You know, when you request for your balance, if you want to check your balance on your cell phone, the balance comes in Namibian dollar. We live from different parts of the world. When you will be trading, in what currency do you want to be seeing your balance? That is what it means. Do you want to see it in US dollars, or do you want to see it in euro or in pound? Some brokers, they offer a ZAR account. We have been pushing for Deriv to have a ZAR account. They keep promising. Or you want to see it in cryptocurrency. If you are a crypto guru and you understand crypto, you can opt for that. But for us, I would recommend US dollar. Please don't open other accounts. Open US dollar. You will not be able to use P2P. It's a very nice platform that we'll learn on Thursday. If you are having an account in a different denomination or a base currency. Okay, Erastus, select US dollar. All of you, you should select US dollar at this point. Then you click next. There is a question, what if I want to trade all VIX and currency in one account? Which account should I open? The answer is standard. I said standard, you will have VIX and some currencies there as well. And then here, personal details. Put in your first name, last name, and date of birth as they appear on your ID, mostly on your document, as they appear on your document. Are we following, the rest of us? Are we following?
Yes.
So
This is how
Yes,
it
yes.
if I have four names, I have to add it all.
Pardon?
If I have four names on my ID, I have to put all my phone names.
Yes, you have to put all your four names. When you're done, you click, put your phone number down there.
So if I have, if my name is misspelled on the opening, it's already a problem.
You can change the name at a later stage on support. You can recommend it. Use the name exactly as they appear on your documents. But if you have made a mistake, you can rectify it at a later stage on live support. You can chat to them, you tell them you want to change your name, and so on. Then you follow the instructions, they can change it for you. Or you can reach out to me. These are the kind of privileges that you will have if you are to open your account under our link. You can reach out to me or to our admins in the DM. You tell them you want to change your name, we can do it for you. We'll just request for your document, for your ID, then we will reach out to live support on your behalf. We will change the name for you. Then put in the place of birth. Place of birth. Scroll down. Tax residence. There should be an option for us. For us, we don't pay tax. Okay, we are supposed not to pay tax. We don't pay tax at all. Okay. Click on tax identification number. Let's put NA. Not applicable. We don't pay tax. Then account opening reason. This one, it doesn't matter. They just have this for formality. But you can use, you can choose anything you want. You can press income earning or
She will mute
investment.
your mic.
Oh, okay.
Okay. You scroll down a bit. Then you confirm. Then you click next. Do we have questions so far? We are all fine.
So far, so good.
Okay, click next. Okay, this is very important. This is very important.
Hello?
On the, yeah?
I'm stuck on tax residence.
Choose Namibia, and then where they ask for tax identification number, put NA, not applicable. Are we fine?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Okay, we'll wait for you a bit.
Open an account reason.
Choose anything. You can choose even 80. It doesn't matter.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Hope we are fine, eh? Augusto, can we proceed?
Where
Yes.
where it's written, I confirm that my tax information is accurate and complete.
Yeah, confirm. Then you say next.
Okay.
Daniel Moses Saki, the pensioner, is also around. Okay, hope you won't blow your whole pension here. Ne? Okay, let's proceed now. Here we have to pay attention to each other. Because the information that you are providing here, you will require a document for it at a later stage. If you don't have a document, we can assist you. The first line of address, I would recommend you put your location. If you are in Windhoek and you live in Okriangava, simply put Okriangava, just the location. Don't add any other things. If you live in Komasdal, put Komasdal. Don't add any other things. No. Erasmus, put where you live, unless you really live in Okriangava. Ne?
Yeah, I do.
That was an
In
example.
Okriangava.
You are in Okriangava?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you misspelled it. It's Okriangava, not Okrio. Hey, that was my location also. I lived there. When was it? When I came for university in my first year in 2013. I was living in Rantakta for 2 years. That is the location that welcomed me in Windhoek. I know it very well. Okay.
Oh, may I live in Mbakata Street?
Serious? Yeah, don't worry. We all started there. It's live. Don't worry. Ne? Before I later moved in the hostel at main campus and so on, that was my location. Okay, put Okriangava. Ne? Don't add any other things. Okriangava. A. No. After Y, it's an A. Yeah, Okriangava. Ngava, okay. Simple as that. Second line of address, put your street name. Okay? Just the name of the street. Don't complicate any other things. Ne? Ombaka Street. Ombakata Street.
From the village.
Now it's a challenge. If you're at the village now, I would recommend you put, I don't know now. It's a challenge. Because you need to put something. If you are at the village, put your village. It's fine. Put your village. You can put the name of your village. It doesn't really matter, okay? Then town, put your town. Town or city. And we do account verification because later they will require a document. And I'm giving you a privilege. If you have opened your account under our link, we will verify your account for you for free. So, meaning whenever you need verification, just send us a screenshot, or you can just reach out to us that help me verify. We'll tell you what to provide, then we'll verify your account for free. Okay. That is the proof of address. The proof of identity, you will verify it yourself. Okay, then state, province, choose the state or province. Let's proceed, Erastus. Commerce. And then zip, postal or zip code. This one, you put any 4-digit number or the numbers on your postal address, on your PO box. Don't put PO box, just put any 4 number. Or you can put a 9,000, for example. That is a common Namibian. I don't know what 9,000 means for Namibia. I'll lie. Put any 4-digit number or the number on your postal address. You are done like this, you proceed. Let's proceed. Okay, verify, simple as that. Risk warning, just go down. Go down. Please, if any, yes, otherwise, what is this? If any of the above applies to you, select yes. Okay, let's go with the yes. And then there's this thing that I also don't understand. A political exposed person, PEP, is someone appointed with a prominent public honor. Most of us, we are not politicians. Say I'm not a PEP, and then I agree with the terms and conditions. Just agree to that. Add account.
But if I'm a politician, what do I do then?
By the look of things, it's like politicians, they are not allowed. I don't know. I really don't know. I'll lie here. Maybe someone can help us. But for now, just say I'm not a PEP. I've not been a PEP in the last 12 months. Close associate and family members of a PEP are also considered to be PEPs. Okay. This one, yeah, let's just add and proceed. But these things are just for formality. Account already exists. Your details match an existing account. If you need help, contact us via live chat.
What's up? What's up?
Erasmus, do you already have an account?
Yeah, I was already an account, but then I created this account with your link.
What I was saying is, if you want an account under if you want an Erasmus, what I said yesterday, if you want an account under my link, do not use similar informations. Use completely different informations. Otherwise, it will not work.
All right.
Okay. Hope you know the steps, ne? But the steps are the same. Who is at this step to share a screen? Someone that doesn't have an account, because I see Erasmus will delay us to start over again. We need to end the class in 7 minutes. Who was following?
For me, I was following by my data are shown.
Okay, who else?
I was following.
Edward.
Yes.
Are you able to share the screen?
Let me try.
Okay, let's just just try so we can conclude this lesson. These are the basic. Before we learn how to enter, how to exit, we have to make sure that we understand these basic things.
Where do I go? Share whiteboard.
Share screen. Matthews, I see you are doing a great job there. Fanny, where you are, just choose the first option, the Vicent, SP Vicent, Grenadine, something. Edward, are we winning? When you select
No.
screen, what is there? Tell us, what are you seeing there?
There's only this micro people here, like on the screen. Okay. Whiteboard. Should I press where it's written share?
Yeah, click there.
There's only Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Point, Google Box, photo, image from file, document, web URL, bookmark, screen, camera,
Yeah.
share whiteboard.
Screen. Is there no screen? There should be screen.
Yeah, there is screen.
Yeah, click on the screen. What is happening?
It says appear on top.
Yeah, allow it. Give it the permissions it needs.
Okay, wait a bit.
Okay, good. You're on the right track. Okay, let's see where you are.
Okay.
You are at the posting and what? Go back. Click on the menu in the 3 lines on your upper left corner. Okay, it's fine. Just log in. Okay, let's just finish creating the account, then we can end the lesson. We'll continue tomorrow. Ne? It seems tomorrow we have to pick up from where we left. We don't have to rush. Understanding is much better than just rushing, but people are not really getting it well.
I am experiencing a problem.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, let's do this. Ne? Tomorrow, we can leave it here for tonight. Tomorrow, let's join at 8 o'clock. For those, let's join at 8 o'clock, ne? So that we have a 2-hour session. We have enough time to finish this thing that it's troubling us. We also proceed with MT5 platform. I want to walk you through the application that we use to trade, okay? I will rearrange with the lesson for tomorrow for the paid students, because you guys, you only have, yeah, I see you managed to log in. Let's push. We have,
Yes.
Okay, click on CFD. Okay, get the standard account. Click on get. We'll repeat what he was doing. At this case, you just select the first one. Just select the first one. I also don't know how they differ, but this is mostly the regulation and so on. Just select the first one. Don't bother about
Which one?
that.
Which one?
Select any.
Like where? Asset leverage.
Oh, you click on the box. It's like they are giving you ST Vicent. Click there.
Where?
Where it's written
That
ST Vicent. Just click there.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like you select the whole box. Can you see it? You just click anywhere in the box.
Okay.
Then you click next. Create a password of your choice. Then you click on add account. Okay, maybe later. You don't want to deposit now.
Yeah.
Can you see that with the financial, it's still not active? You just click on get again, get the financial also. Select the same thing again. Next, use the same password that you created. Okay. What I want us to do is I want us all to create our accounts until we get to this step. Ne? We will pick it up from here tomorrow. Let's be on time. Let's start at 8 o'clock. So we can have enough time to push at least from 8 to 10. We create our accounts and then we also look at the MT5 app, okay? But for now, we can leave it here. Thank you so much for your time. Unless there are those that have questions based on what we have covered, then you can come through. But otherwise, have a good night ahead. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
I have a question.
Thank you.
My question is, as I'm trying to trace where it's written assets, it's not going through. The moment I go by next, I think I started with the financial instead of standards first.
Or then you can click the second option. I don't really know what's the difference also, but just go for the second option. One of them should work. Hilma?
It's not giving anything. Yes?
Serious? Okay, try to share your screen in the meantime while we are waiting for other questions.
I'm using a different phone now.
Can you?
Okay, Hilma, I really don't know where is the problem now. Try to see if you can connect Zoom with the phone that have your account, so you share your screen. We'll be able to assist you better when you can see your screen.
On the other phone, there is no. What is this? Let me try turning the camera.
Okay. Okay, I'm still available. I'm still available for questions. Just be patient. We'll attend to you all.
Okay, let me show you the screen.
Are you guys getting my voice?
Okay, let's
Let me
see.
see.
Click on get.
Can I get the link?
Which link do you want to get? Get the top one. Get the one on top there. Let's see. Okay, there. What is happening when you click on it?
Once I click on it, like that, it gives me that.
Yeah, scroll down. Your camera is moving a lot now, Hilma.
Okay. Let me put it on. Are you seeing it?
Yeah, I can see it. Scroll down a bit. Once you click on it, the British what? Click on British what? Click on that one, even that one. Okay. Click on the second one. The second one, go up a bit. Click on the second one. Accept if there's something to accept. When you're accepting, accept, there should be terms and conditions. Yeah, the next. It seems it takes you back again.
Yeah, it's loading. Then it takes me back here.
Did you complete this part?
Yeah, I was done with that part.
I don't know why.
Now it took me here.
Choose a document, upload your ID. Do you have it nearby?
Can you hear me?
Original one.
Yeah, original one.
Or even copy.
No, originals only. Okay. To what I understand is these STVCents, these are regulators or maybe I don't know. And then maybe to some, they might need your account to be verified before you can open an account with them. So that is what I see here. Do you have your ID nearby?
Oh, yeah, I have.
Yeah, just take a picture of each front and back.
Just a minute.
Okay. Okay. While she's capturing a pictures, let's taking some questions.
Are you getting my voice there, Mr. Slinder?
Very well now. I can get it.
Okay. I just wanted to know about because you have explained on the swap free.
Mm-hmm.
The question is, the swap free now is for us now. We can take it as how can I say it now? We can just ignore it for now.
Yeah, we can just ignore it. For me, I only use standard and financial.
Then I hope we can follow the same.
Yeah, it's fine. There are some stuffs in the chat room. Lorraine, or how do you pronounce it? If you already have an account, it's okay. With us, it's okay. You don't have to. You can keep using the same account. Can I share the screen? Which broker should I choose there to log in MT5? Oh, shit. We will talk about this in the days to come. Which broker to choose, how to log in. That is the lesson for tomorrow. Just wait. But the broker is Deriv, depending on what the broker gives you. Confirm your detail on Deriv web. Yeah, I see. Okay, Matthews, you are doing a great job, Deriv SVG and done creating. Now problem is to log into MT5. Okay, Fanny Ankama will solve the problem of logging in tomorrow. That is the lesson on MT5. Matthews, we are heading there. Okay, Matthews, good. Matthews, we are supposed to meet today. I see you dropped me a message, but come through to the office tomorrow, I just opened an account under your link, tried depositing with my card, and they locked cashier because I already used the same card for the other account. So how can I go about it? We will solve these things on Thursday. Depositing and withdrawal, it's a big issue. You are not allowed to deposit with the same card on 2 accounts, okay? You guys were told not to use anything on your old account. We requested to use different documents. I requested you to use different documents, and number 2, you should let us deposit for you. I will not even charge you, so don't worry about that. For now, if you want to deposit under your new account that we have created, I will give you an exception. You just send your money to us, then we'll deposit for you. We'll not charge you. We'll deposit at the market price, okay? We'll give you that exception. Don't deposit with your own card. Use completely different things, okay? Then let's take in questions. How to withdraw with FNB account? We'll talk about that on Thursday. Yeah? Thank you, Mr. Sinta. We'll catch up tomorrow. My network. Should all of us open real accounts? Yes, the ghosts. All of you should open a real account. Let's take in questions.
Okay, maybe on the withdrawal and deposit, I just wanted to know something. It's mostly using FNB or Standard Bank also.
You can deposit with any bank that you want, but the withdrawals, that is where the terms and condition comes in. But we'll talk about that and how to solve it on Thursday.
Yeah. All right.
The recommended bank to deposit with is Bank Windhoek, but you can deposit with any bank that you want. It just comes with issues when you are withdrawing, but there are solutions to that. We'll talk about it Thursday.
Okay, no problem. For me, I can say good night, guys. Thank you for everything.
Okay, good night.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening, Augusto.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. And how are you?
I'm good. Yeah, I texted you, but I thought you were not at the office. That's why I didn't go there.
Oh, it's Matthews. Usually, there are admins there. If I'm not around, you can still go there and then they should be able to assist you.
All right.
Yeah, but try again tomorrow.
Okay, I'll try maybe calling you or reaching you with a text just to confirm before I go there.
No problem.
Anyway, thanks. My account was verified today.
Oh, okay. Is it us that assisted you?
Yes, it was you. There's this new admin who assisted me.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Okay, you're most welcome.
All right, so we'll communicate tomorrow.
Okay, sure, we'll catch up. Kerik or Karik Rukavo, come through. I see you raising your hand.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And how are you?
Very good.
All right.
Just want to ask about the office in Rundu. Because I went there last week, then I found out like the office is closed.
We are still in the same building. We moved in the inside buildings. You should have called. Is it Education Carry or Rainbow? We have two offices.
Yes, the one Education Carry, like in that White House.
Oh yeah, we are still in the White House. Just come again tomorrow. We just moved in the inside building. When you walk in, it's the first it's the first room on your left.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You
Thank
should
you,
just
sir.
ask
Otherwise,
for Silda's office. They should you should just knock at any office because it's a complex with a lot of offices. You should just knock and ask for Silda's office.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. Before I can call it a night, how was the lesson? If there is anything we can improve,
I
just
have
to
a question.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay, I'll see.
On opening a real account, I'm stuck where you have to choose between what is this amazing? Between I'm stuck on choosing between STVs and British Vision and these other things. Well, what should I choose here?
Choose the first one if that option is available.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Someone
The
is
lesson was great. We
okay. Thank you.
enjoyed it.
All right. Thank you so much. Who can come through? How was the lesson? And if there's anything we can improve. All right, then there's one more last question in the chat room. Which town is the office? It is in Rundu, okay? Have a good night ahead. We'll see you tomorrow, same time. Thank you so much for your time, okay?
Good night, sir. Bye.
Another question. You only have an office in Rundu. Do you have an office in Windu? That's my question. You muted your mic. You can actually.
Okay, I was saying at the moment we are only available in Rundu. We had an office in Windhoek, but at the moment we are only operating in Rundu. So if you are in Windhoek, we can assist you online. We usually have admins that comes. They start at 7 o'clock until 4 o'clock. Whatever you need, you can call in. We should be able to assist. And during the evening, it's tough because they have knocked off, and I'm busy giving lessons, and the response rate is very slow after hours. Yeah, but you can always drop us a message or call us. We can try our best to assist you with whatever you need.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay, sure. All right, good night now.
Yeah, good night, Mr. Slinta.
All right, good night. Valpes Bay. No, we don't have an office in Valpes Bay. Okay. We can always communicate online. There's technology now. Don't worry about the locations and offices. This is Forex. Wherever you are, we can work together. Don't worry about that.